Morning, students. I'm Dr. Vijay Bhandari, Associate Professor in SIRT CSE Department. So now I'm going to teach you today Python programming. So we will today we will see today write a program of pyramid using Python. So I request you, I requested to all, please open a PyCharm ID on your laptop. Now let's start with the programming. So go to file and new option, choose a new option and rename it pyramid, right? Whatever you can give your name of your programs. Now I define the functions. Firstly, pyramid. Everyone knows the pyramid, right? Now I will use for I in range 0, n. Everyone knows I have explained every basics in previous Python programming in my video. So if you have any doubt, if you don't have any syntax, basic syntax, you can prefer my previous video. So for I in range 0, n, so it will range 0 to number of elements you want to give in this program. So for j in range, why we use range? For the elements, right? So when for example I am giving you 0 I plus 1, so it will gives 0 to I plus 1 iterate, right? Iterate one by one element. Now I will put here colon. Now I will print here star, right? Why I am giving star? Because I want to print in this format, right? Now I will use end is equal to, so cursor will be goes if there is no any element, so cursor goes to next line. Now we will print here. Now you can give here n is equal to 20 if you want to give number of elements here. So now pyramid of now here I can debug. So it is output, you can see here 1 star. Now next line goes to cursor goes to, and here is no any element it is found, so it will goes to next line. It will increase 0 to I plus 1. Now it will iterate 2. Now after that I plus 1, 2 plus 1 3, so it will print 3. Now it will goes to 3 plus 1 4, so it will print 4. Now I is equal to 4, so 4 plus 1 5, so it will goes to 5. So corresponding 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10. So it will give you 10 up to 20 stars here, right? Is that clear to everyone? Okay, so we will see a next program of calculator. So we will be doing the program of calculator in next video. So everyone requested to please do this program. If you have any query, so please put your query in chat box. Thank you.